Once, the great sage Vyasa was immersed in deep and prolonged penance, meditating upon Parashiva, the Supreme Lord.
Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanad Mrityormukshiyamamritat.
Pleased by his intense austerities, Mahadeva appeared before him and said,
Ninna darshanadinda dhanyanade.
O noble son of Parashara, ask for a boon. Overwhelmed with devotion, O Lord of Lords, today I am truly blessed. I desire a son endowed with supreme wisdom and spiritual brilliance. Tadhastu, said Shiva. So be it, and vanished. Vyasa had received the boon, but for such a radiant and ascetic child to be born, a worthy mother was also required. As if reading the sage's unspoken thought, at that very moment, a celestial maiden descended from the heavens, the Apsara Ghrutachi. She was no ordinary being. She was the cause of the birth of Drona, the legendary teacher of the Pandavas and Kauravas. She had once given life to 100 maidens to revive the lineage of Kusha, son of Rama, thus becoming a savior of the solar dynasty. Now she had come to earth with the desire to become the mother of Vyasa's divine son. But her enchanting beauty, her celestial grace, did not distract the sage in the slightest. Vyasa's mind was completely absorbed in meditation and study. Ghrutachi waited, hoping her heart might turn toward her. But Vyasa showed no sign of abandoning his spiritual path. Waiting turned into frustration, frustration into fear. What if the sage becomes angry? What if he curses me? Unable to endure the uncertainty, Ghrutachi gave up her hope and turned back toward the heavens. In a moment, she assumed the form of a parrot and flew away. But time tests even the most disciplined minds. After she left, Vyasa's concentration wavered. Her image arose unbidden in his thoughts. Her form lingered in his mind. Lost in contemplation, as Vyasa walked through the forest, unaware, his seed fell on the wooden fire sticks kept in the ashram for sacred rituals. That evening, during the fire ritual, Vyasa rubbed those same wooden sticks together, and then a miracle. From the spark born of friction, a child emerged. Born of remembrance and linked to the Apsara Ghrutachi, the sage named the child Shuka. This child would grow to become a great ascetic, a supreme knower of truth, a master of renunciation. Thus was born Shuka Maharishi, the embodiment of wisdom.
Urvarukamiva bandhanad mrityormukshiyamamritat.